how to find your up-to-date view counts. Okay? Because it seems like all day long YouTube hasn't kept up with my view counts. Alright? So, you can go, I'm going to show you for an example. I go to my channel. Once that loads, I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, you see the view count on here? It says 120 views. That's wrong, folks. So, to get the correct up-to-date view count, you're going to left click on this and you're going to go to Creator Studio. Let that load. And you'll see the difference what I'm talking about, folks, once it loads. See, that's the same video, and it has 187 views. 187 views. So, all you have to do is just go up here, go to, I'll show you again. We'll click on this, let it load. Sorry, my internet's slow, folks. It's due to weather. Go to my channel. Okay, go down here, scroll down, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Right here, there's only 120 views showing here. Then you go up here, you click on it, go left click, go to Creator Studios, or Studio, let that load, and then you will see what I'm talking about. Oh, it didn't change yet. Still loading, folks. There we go. Now it's 188 views. See? So that's how you get your current, up-to-date YouTube views. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure you turn on that bell notification so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Because I upload numerous, sometimes 3 or 4 videos daily. All depending on what's going on in the world today. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome, safe day.